The photography world is buzzing with anticipation once again, and this time the focus is firmly on Canon. The rumored arrival of the Canon EOS R7 Mark II has set forums, blogs, and professional circles ablaze with discussions, predictions, and debates. Whenever Canon prepares to release a new iteration of one of its mirrorless cameras, it inevitably creates waves in the industry, but the leaks surrounding the R7 Mark II have been especially fascinating. To understand why this upcoming release matters so much, it's important to first remember where the Canon R7 originally stood in the market. The R7 was Canon's flagship APS-C mirrorless camera under the EOS R system. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It was designed as a versatile powerhouse for hybrid shooters, offering exceptional stills performance with its high-resolution sensor and advanced autofocus, while also delivering compelling video capabilities for content creators, vloggers, and aspiring filmmakers. The R7 combined Canon's years of experience in DSLR design with the modern demands of mirrorless technology, and this balance made it one of the most successful cameras in Canon's mirrorless lineup. The R7 Mark II, however, seems poised to build on that legacy and potentially reshape what photographers and videographers expect from an APS-C body. Based on the leaks that have emerged over the past several months, the Canon R7 Mark II is shaping up to be more than just a small upgrade. If the leaks are to be believed, this camera will feature a newly developed APS-C sensor that is expected to deliver better dynamic range, improved low-light sensitivity, and faster readout speeds. For still photographers, this means the possibility of capturing more detail, richer colors, and better highlight recovery in challenging conditions. The rumored megapixel count hovers around the 32 to 36 MP range, which would make it a notable step up from its predecessor without pushing file sizes into impractical territory. This sweet spot could strike the right balance for wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and content creators who demand resolution but also require speed. Speaking of speed, perhaps one of the most exciting leaked features of the Canon R7 Mark II is its improved burst shooting performance. The original R7 impressed many with its 15 frames per second mechanical shutter and 30 frames per second electronic shutter modes, but the R7 Mark II is expected to push these boundaries further. Early leaks suggest that the Mark II could achieve 20 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and up to 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter, all while maintaining autofocus tracking. This is a remarkable feat, especially for action shooters who rely on every frame to capture decisive moments. If these numbers hold true, the R7 Mark II could compete directly with some of Canon's full-frame sports cameras, offering a more affordable yet highly capable alternative. Another area where Canon seems determined to raise the bar is in autofocus. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF system has already proven to be one of the best in the industry, but the R7 Mark II is rumored to incorporate the latest generation of Canon's deep learning and AI-based subject recognition. This would mean even more reliable subject detection across a wider variety of scenarios, from fast-moving athletes and birds in flight to cars, trains, and even smaller subjects like insects. Videographers, in particular, will benefit from smoother focus transitions and improved eye detection autofocus when shooting interviews, documentaries, or cinematic sequences. This is part of Canon's broader strategy to integrate AI more deeply into their cameras, ensuring that even semi-professional shooters can achieve results previously reserved for high-end cinema equipment. Video capabilities are another area where the R7